Hello Sportyfriends users. Today I will go over our finance page to help you get a better understanding of how it works. As always, we go into the admin section and then click on finance. You will be taken to your general financial overview. To your right, you have the option of filtering between a 3, 6 or 12-month period. In this video, I will select 3 months. On the top, you have information about how much you have earned within the time period and the saldo on your account. Once we go down to the graph on our left, you will see all your payments in a graph based on numbers. If you click on the name below, that graph will disappear. To your right, you will see the same numbers but in a percentage form. If we scroll down, we get the most recent payments. Here you can see what have been bought and by who. Let's move on to the customer page. On the graph to your left, you will see how many new customers your club had within each month. To the right, you will get these numbers in a percentage form. Let's move on to bookings. Here you will see all the bookings in your club. The green line shows bookings that have been made on your Sportyfriends page, and the blue line is for bookings from a third party. To the right, you get these numbers in a percentage form. Last, we move on to payments. The different numbers will be the same numbers you will see on your bank statement. Once you click on View Transaction, you will get a detailed view of which transactions were included. That was all for today. I hope you liked it.